Sergei Magnitsky was my lawyer in Russia. He was 36 years old, and he was brave enough to defend me in a situation where the regime had turned against me, and many other lawyers didn't want to do that. He bravely defended me, and in the process of defending me, he discovered that the police, the Russian Interior Ministry, were involved in a highly corrupt scheme to steal the assets of my company and then to steal $230 million of taxes that we paid. Sergei Magnitsky then testified against the police officers who were involved. Those same officers then came to his house in the morning on November 24th, 2008, arrested him, put him in pretrial detention, and then he was slowly tortured to death over a one-year period. He died at the age of 37, leaving a wife, 2 children, and as an only child to a grieving mother. And I've decided on the day of his death that I'm going to make sure that the people who killed Sergei Magnitsky don't get away with it. And for the last year and a half, we've been involved in a high-level legal, political, and media campaign to make sure that the 60 or so officials who denied him medical attention, who fabricated evidence against him, who had him falsely arrested, who were involved in the crimes that he discovered, that every single one of them sees justice. I'm here at the European Parliament today to tell the story of Sergei Magnitsky and to tell the story of the cover-up of the Russian government into who killed him and who bears ultimate responsibility. And it's only with pressure from the outside that we're ever going to be able to see any kind of justice, because inside of Russia, the whole system is basically protecting itself. Well, we've had big progress. The European Parliament on December 15th last year passed a resolution calling for the visa ban and the asset freezes on those individuals who killed Sergei Magnitsky in all EU member states. Several weeks ago, the Swiss prosecutor has frozen tens of millions of dollars of assets in Swiss banks belonging to the government officials who participated in the crime that Sergei Magnitsky had uncovered. The U.S. Congress, the U.S. Senate, has put forth last week a law called the Sergei Magnitsky Rule of Law Accountability Act, which will impose visa sanctions and asset freezes in America against people who killed Sergei Magnitsky, and it's broadened to include other similar cases. So it's become Sergei Magnitsky's legacy has become consequences for other people who have terrorized other people as well.